Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Steven from Simple Tech. So today I'm going to show you two free online tools you can use to test your internet speed. So head over to your favorite browser and load the first tool, speedtest.net, and hit enter to load the website. And then click on the button that is written Go. This one will test your connection speed. So there are different types of testing that is being done. This is the download speed and also the upload speed. So ping is normally the time that it takes for your device to connect to speedtest.net servers, any nearby server. So it means that if this number is bigger, it means that it is taking longer for your device to reach their nearest server. So the lower the number, the better the internet. The bigger the number, the poorer the internet. And the download number is what is normally sold by your internet service provider. My provider gives me 5 Mbps, that is 5 megabytes per second, but now I'm getting 3.87 and the upload is 2.86. So the second tool I can use is fast.com. So this tool is provided by Netflix, and this one loads automatically when you load the website. So you can wait for it to finalize on testing the speed of my internet. And this shows my download speed is 3.2. If I want to see my upload speed, I have to click show more info, and this under the upload speed, this one will be my upload speed provided by my internet service provider. So I hope you have enjoyed this YouTube tutorial. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.